for the treats. I hope you guys are having a great day and continue having one. Today I am making some tacos out of the 4Runner on the top of a mountain. This is where a lot of people actually go shooting, and I tried to go a little bit further, but it was closed. I found this little mountain pass here, and it doesn't seem like there's anybody but one other 4Runner way down there. So me and Bandit are gonna make some tacos, start with some snacks, and go from there. Gotta have Dr. Pepper. Gotta give Bandit boy the treats. So I guess I should be introducing this little contraption that I have right here. So I was gonna make one of these, and if I made it, I'd like to say I'd make it a little bit better, but I was able to find this on Facebook Marketplace for 50 bucks. The wood alone would have costed me more, and it's really solid. This is actually cutting wood grade and has been sanded down and oiled, so I can cut on this, which is pretty sweet, and then that can actually finally sit on something rather than just the bottom of the 4Runner. While the cast iron's getting hot, I figured I'd make myself some snacks, so I'm actually gonna have some cheese and crackers with some pepperoni. Snacks are made, so I'm going to start cooking. I am personally not a huge fan of regular onion, but for some reason I do like onion chives. So that is what I'm putting in with my meat and my tacos. I don't know about you guys, but I add my cheese in before I actually take them out, so they're cheesy and all melted down. My wife would call me something, I don't know, something interesting if I didn't do this, but I brought tortillas. I was thinking about, now that they're done, I'm just pull this out, you know, grab it, and then eat it just like that. But I decided I am actually gonna do it the right way and get the tortilla nice and soaked and good looking. I technically went to 3 different off-road like roads to actually get here. I planned on doing this way earlier in the day, and I almost gave up. Like, everything's closed. I'm just never gonna be able to find where I want to go. And I was lucky and I found this spot. It's not perfect. There's some noise from like dirt bikes and such, but it's a great view. I'm gonna make some tacos outside. I didn't really want to be cooped up inside. I had a lot of stuff going on this week that made me just kind of want to relax and come out here. And one of that is my dad actually had a heart attack on Wednesday. It was very scary. My family and the doctors were all pretty sure he wasn't going to make it, or if he was, it would just be out of pure luck. Luckily he did. But I drove to St. George from Salt Lake. Is a 4.5 hour drive twice in one day. So it was a hard thing, and I'm glad that he made it, but I was very stressed, and I went without sleep for a while. I work nights and I work days, so for the last 72 hours I didn't get much sleep. So I wanted to come out here and chill, crack open a Dr. Pepper and have some tacos with the dog. The wife is at work right now. I would have gone the last 2 weeks, but I actually got my wisdom teeth removed, so I couldn't eat much, A, and B, I wasn't very nice to look at. Dressing up the first taco. I'm just gonna try it because I'm hungry, and you know, you gotta try the first taco. Also brought an avocado, so I'm gonna slice that open now too. All right, so first taco test. Putting on some, I love the Taco Bell hot sauce. I know people like Cholula, that's what my wife likes. And I do like Cholula, don't get me wrong. But if the Taco Bell hot sauce is a choice, that's what I'm choosing. All right, first taste. It's gonna be kind of messy. This one came out a little funky, but there we are. I got another one ready, and I'm so excited for it. Cut up some more cheese. I'm gonna try and put some on the taco, but let's see what happens when I give Bandit a cheese. Gotta pay the cheese tax. No, you're a good boy. See if I can get Bandit to eat a little bit more food if I mix in some beef with it. All right. Grub up, dude. Success? Success. Alrighty. Well, the tacos on a mountain are successfully completed. I'm about to go grab this thing up. All right. I am so hungry. This is good. I'm just gonna keep snacking for a bit and eventually get down this mountain and go home. I got work in a few hours, but this was definitely a good break. If you guys like these type of videos and want more of this from me, I'd really appreciate it if you'd comment. If you tell me exactly what you want or what kind of meal you want me to make, I'm more than happy to make it. This is my dog Bandit. My name's Sebastian, and this is my 4Runner. I hope you guys have a great day and continue having one. Peace.